All right, so we're looking at some calculator work today, basically. We're starting off with this question, 2 1/4 minus 1 3/5, all divided by 3. So the first thing we're going to do is group our processes. The first part, you're thinking, okay, we're all going to work out the top, write it down, then divide by the denominator. All right, what I'm going to show you is how to put all of this into the calculator all at once. All right, so let's go. So I'm using the Texas Instruments TI 30X. It's, whether it's the 2 or whatever other version, they kind of almost all look the same unless it's like a one of those bankers versions. Yeah. So we're going to put in everything like we see it here, starting with the brackets. So we're going to have open brackets. 2, see this ABC button? That's your fraction. 2 and 1 over 4, right? Minus 1 and 3 over 5, close brackets. Then I'm not going to hit equals, or I can. So if you want to, you can. You get 13 over 20. And then instead of writing that down and then putting in we just punch in divided by 3 equals 13 over 60. And just like that, we have the answer. 13 over 60. Easy. All right, let's look at this second one. So we have 2.14 sine 75 degrees to 2 decimal places. Okay, let's take a look at a couple of things. Right here, you don't see it. There's a multiplication sign. So it's 2.14 multiplied by the sine of 75. Okay? And then we'll write the answer to 2 decimal places. But for now, let's work with the first part. All right. So I'm going to clear this or clear my screen. Yep. And then I have... Now, one thing you got to check for. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode because we're using degrees, not radians. All right. And usually there's this DRG button. You can press, go across to whatever you want, and then enter. And that will tell you. You see it right here. Okay, so let's punch it in. So we have 2.14 multiplied by the sine, and notice it opens the brackets here for you to put the number in, of 75 equals. And we have here, we're going to write this whole number out. So it's, well, most of it, 2.067081268. I'm just going to write everything out. Now they said to 2 decimal places, which means 2 places after the decimal point. 1, 2. Cut off here. The next number is 5 or more, so you add 1 to the number before, and you get what? 2.07. That's it.